Very good afternoon. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. How are you doing? I'm Jashin Kabani. I'm the founder and CEO of Arm Decon Design. If you know or if you don't know, let me introduce myself. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And as you can see, I'm just soaking up the sun and I'm like, just doing nothing, And I've been sharing this extensively. In fact, I had a chat with a gardener who stays here. He was surprised that I'm sitting here on the floor because he's so used to seeing people on benches and chairs and sofas and stuff. So it shocked him and surprised him that I'm sitting here with my one and only pet. Wish I could keep a few more, but anyways, I feed the dogs around and stuff and all that. So what's my thought share all about? My thought share is look at the sunny side up, Snoopy upwards. So this is a video which is going to be in two parts. So one is a topic of happiness and joy and feeling good as you are in the so-called fast-paced or happening life, or some people say hectic and too much and exhausting and tiring and everything. And the guy just commented he's gone crazy because everybody wants him to run and do everything and all that. So pause and slow down, a forced rest, And the thing is this, that the first part is about joy and happiness, and second is about warmth and compassion and stuff. This is going to be a different feed or a share. It's not about pets and everything. I'm sorry, it's not about my work and everything. It is actually about pets. I'm so sorry for that. This is an unedited one and stuff, okay? So I got a few lines here before me. First is the urgency trap, So what happens is, like this guy just made a comment. It's surprising to see somebody would be sitting on the floor when I can offer you a chair and stuff. And I say that I told him it's okay, it's okay. I just want to soak up the sun and connect with nature and stuff. And sometimes I just come here and I just chill and I lie down in the park like anybody else, soak up the sun and go back. And it just rejuvenates me and charges me up, So we are all kind of looking to be, or we are in offices, we are in homes, we are at studios, we are probably working. Many of us, many of the people out there, I know, entrepreneurs, founders, ministers, leaders, children. Some are in college, some are in school, some are kind of at work, maybe networking. Some of them are doing their media jobs or stuff. Some of them are in exhibitions and stuff like that, and whatever. To each one his own. But the point is, what is the factor that people have to keep in mind when they are kind of on their jobs? So the first step is, if you are feeling, let's use the word stressed. People use the word pressure. People use the word stress. People use the word bogged down, tired, stuff like that. So the point is, if you already filled up your brain with that, you're obviously going to feel that. And it's a reality. I've woken up in the morning and, I've got my regular pain in my neck and stuff like that. It's been a good day for me otherwise on the whole. And if I wanted, I could be in the same environment where I'm feeling that way. So I chose to just pick up a book, pick up my car, take my dog, and I decided to come out for a walk. So now when I'm sitting in the beautiful breeze right on the face and stuff, I've got a few lines to share here. So first of all, let us understand that what happens when we are, like most people, on this mode called the autopilot mode. Do you know what is an autopilot mode? And autopilot mode is that you've been doing things in a certain fashion for the last, say, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. People call it a habit, but sometimes you get into a autopilot mode. I'm not talking about pilots in the air and stuff, okay? So autopilot means that you are trained, or your brain works the same way as it has been working. So I shared this many years back that routine is overhyped. A lot of people, they follow routine, they're very happy with that and stuff, but it depends on the personality and it depends on the kind of work, okay? So if you're like most people, all in autopilot mode, trying to complete your tasks at home or at work, basis on what most appears urgent, the best way to increase the stress or to increase not so great